Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south in our 6th video of the US Highway 61 series. We're just leaving the city of Hastings. We're in Dakota County, the 3rd most populous county in Minnesota, which you'd never know by what we'll see in this video. Dakota County has a population of 439,882 as of the 2020 census, most of which is in the southern suburbs of Minneapolis-St. Paul in the northwestern part of the county. The county is named for the Dakota Sioux tribal bands who inhabited this area. Approximately one-half of Dakota County is farmland, and that's what we'll be seeing through most of this video, with the exception of a small town in the middle. We reach a T-junction with Minnesota Highway 50 to the right and US 61 turns to the left. We enter the city of Meesville, which had an estimated population of 122 as of 2019. Meesville was founded by and named for John Meese in 1874. Meese built a saloon, restaurant, and boarding house in 1874, which operates today as King's Bar and Grill, visible on the right at the 5-minute 39-second mark. Directly across the street is St. Joseph's Catholic Church, which was built in that location in 1907, but destroyed by fire a few years later. The current church was built and dedicated in 1914. Meesville has an amateur baseball team called the Mud Hens, which participate in the Minnesota Town Team Baseball League. Shortly after leaving Meesville, we enter Goodhue County, which comprises the Red Wing Micropolitan Statistical Area. The county was named for James Madison Goodhue, who published the first newspaper in the county. The county was a leading producer of wheat during the mid-19th century, and for several years the county boasted the highest wheat production in the country. Goodhue County had a population of 47,582 as of the 2020 census. We conclude today's video as we arrive at the city limits of Red Wing. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.